Welcome to the Photo Bean application. Our unique Bean technology helps ensure control and privacy of your photos if you choose to share them with your friends. The first step is to locate the photo button at the top of the menu. This will allow you to upload individual photos, upload photos into an album that's already existing, or better still, create a whole new album. So we're going to go ahead and create a photo album of one of the concerts I've recently attended. And we scroll down and we look at the different options for privacy. The first option is your private. Now, in private setting, if you choose this option, you'll be the only person that can look at this. You can also choose friends, which means this can be shared only with friends that are connected to you on the GoGoBeans platform. Alternatively, you can choose members, which allows you to share with strangers that are connected to GoGoBeans. And of course, you can make your photo album public. For this demo, we'll show sharing with friends. So I'll go ahead and click on Browse Files to get to the files themselves. Now you have options here. You can select them one at a time, or you can press the Command or Control key on your computer and select multiple files, or you can select the whole list by using the Shift key. So I'll scroll down and select all of these files, click, and as you can see, they're ready to be uploaded. Just click on the Start Upload and it will begin the process. Once the upload is complete, the photo album appears in your locker area. Click on it and it will bring you to the photo album Bean. Here you have different options. You can edit the file, you can upload more photos to the photo album, you can bounce, which is our word for sharing, a very unique feature, and you can use our meta tags or keywords to actually personalize the bean so you can search for items later. To do this, you simply have to type in, so Los Angeles, click submit, and you can always access this later on. To view the photos themselves, here are the thumbnails of the photos within the photo album bean. Click on the thumbnail and you can scroll previous photos or next photos just like you would on most other photo sharing sites. With GoGoBeans, you can share and keep control of your digital assets, really getting the best of both worlds. So I'm going to go ahead and share this photo album with one of my friends. I go to the digital locker, select the bean, and here on the menu side there's the word bounce. I simply type in my friend's name, in this case it's Alicia, and I can also send it to friends via email addresses with a message, and simply click on bounce. Here we're showing Alicia's account, and by simply clicking on the notifications you'll see that Tony did bounce a bean. So clicking on the thumbnail allows your friends to view the private bean. Now here's a key difference. Alicia can choose to not keep these files, or actually keep them in her digital locker for her to store and be able to search. So by clicking on keep it, it essentially gives a copy or a key to Alicia to open this file at a later date. So by clicking on locker, you'll notice that now Alicia also has the concert bean or the photo album bean in her personal locker. With GoGoBeans, you have complete control over who views your digital assets. At any time, you can actually change the permissions. And so the way to do this is to click on Edit once you select the bean. And by scrolling down, you will notice an area at the bottom that says Disconnect User. So as you share with friends, you can actually selectively select or deselect users that have permissions to view this. Alternatively, you can go up to the Privacy tab and make the bean private. And so I'll go ahead and save it in this way. Now the bean is completely private, even if it's shared with one person, 100 people, or 1,000 people. It's completely private. So we'll go ahead and shift tab to Alicia account. And as you can see, it's still in her digital locker. We'll click and select the bean. And you'll notice that an error says, sorry, you're not authorized to view this bean. And that's the privacy and security aspect of the GoGoBeans technology.